Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Brianna, and today I am here with another video, and today's video is going to be another mug cake. This is a chocolate mayonnaise mug cake. This is one of my favorite recipes. People think it might sound gross, but it's not, so let's get into this video. So first what you'll need is a tablespoon of mayonnaise, and you put it all in your large microwave safe mug. So yeah, this is like really easy. I just love this one. So we're just gonna put it in like this. Next, what we will need is 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1, 2, 3, and once you have that, we will stir that with a fork. So, and we just stir it around until it looks good. Next, we are adding 2 tablespoons of water. I just filled up my measuring cup with water just so I could show you. So, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons in. Next, we are adding a half a teaspoon, gosh, I can't talk, of pure vanilla extract. And then we're going to mix that all together. Next, we are adding 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. There. And then we are adding 1/4 cup of self-rising flour. And it's okay if you don't have any. I will tell you after I pour this in how to actually make it, because it's pretty cool that you can do that. So, yeah, we add this in, and then we are going to mix it. Once everything's mixed together, this is what it's supposed to look like. It's kind of a thick batter, and then you'll put it in for like 2 minutes. But how you make the soft self-rising flour is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and then 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. So let's pop this in the microwave. This is what it looks like after you've microwaved it, and it's done. It's steaming hot, so it is really good. I really recommend this recipe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a nice day.